countdown is over and the field is set. The International Student Sports Meet 2026 is officially here at Chandigarh University, bringing together athletes from across 35 nations ready to compete with passion and determination.
Sport should be and could be defined physically, mentally, and spiritually. Your university is thinking of you, not only when it comes to education, but also when it comes to your step for a better future. In this regard, it's very happy to mention that the scholarship for students having achievement in sport is equal to the scholarship given to them good educational achievement.
We are learning from each other
At this international sports meet,
and creating memories that go far beyond the game.
With the flame of sportsmanship ignited and the athletes ready to give their best, the International Student Sports Meet 2026 has officially begun.